Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if you can use the same wallet on two different devices for backup, and here I have the LEDGER Stax. So yes, of course that can be done because you have a recovery sheet when you create your wallet, and the recovery sheet always generates the same private keys based on that recovery seed phrase, so-called seed phrase. And once you create your account on one wallet, I'm gonna reset this one just to create a new account, right? Then you can simply enter the same seed phrase onto a different device to have this backup device. And what it does is you can, for example, have one device in at your home and the other one in a bank safe or anywhere else, like let's say another country. Now let's begin by setting up the wallet here, and I'm gonna set it up as a new wallet. Then I'm gonna use a different one, and it can be another LEDGER Stax, but it can also be a different ledger or even a completely different device, like I have right here, the LEPAL Titan 2.0, and it also can be used the same exact way. So I'm just gonna quickly set it up, not with desktop, just without live for a moment. I'm gonna skip it for now, maybe later. Tap to continue, choose my PIN. Of course, you shouldn't share your PIN with anyone. I'm just gonna re-enter it. There is a video on setup if you want to go through the whole setup, so you can watch that. Now, I'm gonna set it up as a new ledger, and there will be a recovery seed phrase shown, and you shouldn't share it with anyone. You can't share it with anyone because that will make them have access to your wallet. And that's why you can use different wallets with the same seed phrase entered, and that will just work. If you share your seed phrase with anyone else, then they also can use your money, basically. But I will be showing you this only because I won't transfer any money on this account, and that this is the only reason why I'm sharing my seed phrase with you. Now let's click on continue, 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 and continue. And you shouldn't take any picture of your phrase and never enter it on your mobile phone or your computer. Write it down on a piece of paper and hold it in a place in a room without cameras, and hold it in a place that basically is very, very secure. Now, once I click on I understand, I'm gonna tap here, and I am gonna take pictures of it, but only because I just want to make it faster, and you shouldn't digitize any of your recovery sheets. So I'm just gonna take a picture of these 24 randomly generated words, click on done, then start confirmation, and you need to enter it to confirm that you know your recovery keys. So I'm gonna start doing that, and I'll get back to you in a moment. Now it's confirming, so my wallet will be set up. Yeah, let's go through that. Now it's done, so let's set up another wallet. And I'm using this one, and here I have an option to recover via seed phrase. Now I'll just need to type in my full seed phrase, 12, 15, 18, 21 or 24 words. So in this case, on this Ledger wallet, it's 24 words. So I'll just get that and start typing it in as well. And as I said, I'll get back to you in a moment. Now once that's set, here on this one I'll need to just set account name as well as the password to access that account. So let's do that. Of course, that also shouldn't be shared with anyone. Make sure I've entered it correctly. Make sure you will remember it, but of course if you don't, then if you have your seed phrase saved somewhere, then it's fine. It has a problem because it doesn't recognize the word wing here for some reason. Okay, now it does. I could just delete the space that was automatically generated. Now let's click on recover account. You can select coins on this device like that, basically. Let's click on OK. And now these two wallets have basically the same exact assets. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.